främst. Yeah.
We have 4 trains, and we have different parts of the blocking areas that you see there. The yellow lights right next to the microphone. You will see that they will change paces, so you can see where the trains are on the track, and there are always one area between the trains, except on the station, of course. So now we will see the station will go up to the uphill. God dagen! God dagen! There you can see where it is enters, and also all the braking areas and lift hill. We changed the trains a few years ago, so it's not the original trains, but the design is like 99% the same. So it's Zierer that have built it for us. So when it was built in 1986, it premiered in 1987. It was Schwarzkopf himself that designed it, but his company Schwarzkopf has been bankrupt. So it was Zierer that built it, but it is a Schwarzkopf design. It looks like a Schwarzkopf coaster, so we say it is a Schwarzkopf coaster. And here, the sparse time between the trains are incredible. It can be like 30 seconds between the trains. So standing here in queue is like heaven, because you always move forward.